Hi friends, today I am in Destiny Engage and I would love to show you how you can use this great tool to personalize student reading recommendations. The first time your kids log into Destiny, they will have this pop up, but if they want to find it throughout the year, they just go under their name and click on interest survey. And maybe even during the year, their interests change or they like to read different books. And all you have to do is click on the type of books that you want to read, that you love to read, and then go down here to save interest. And on this carousel, then, based on your preference, books will pop up that really encourages them to find their next great read. And I love how this helps our students focus on what books that they might want to check out from the library, but also gives them ideas on things they might not have thought they would love to read. And so Engage is a great way to just encourage that love of reading, but really personalize student reading recommendations too.